Re- Ready? And how are we going to count? We're going to count backwards, yeah? 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Yeah! Wait, can you see it? Can you see it? Should we throw it again? Yeah? 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Whoa! Go and get it. Oh, can you get it? Do you think you can get it? Do you think you can reach? Go on, you can reach. Go on. You can do it. Careful. Careful, careful. Careful, careful. Don't step on any flowers. Go on. You can do it. You can get it. Go on. Okay, put that down. Oh, no, not on the flowers, Gaby. Yeah? Should I get it? Here you go. What did you do today? What have you been doing with our chumma? Huh? What have you been doing?
Dancing with Daddy.
Dancing with Gaby?
Dancing with Daddy.
Dancing with Daddy? But where did you take our chumma? Where did you take her?
Yeah.
You took her for a walk where? Where did you go?
In the corner.
To see, what did you see?
I see the bird.
You saw the birds?
What's that?
That's a feather from a bird. It's a little bird's feather. You try this. Ready? 3. Hold it. Wait a minute. You hold it on the purple bit. Here. Hold. Yeah. No, other way. This way. Yeah. That's it. No. Let me. Here. Yeah. Okay. Now you throw it. Yeah! What's that called? What's it called, Gaby? An airplane. You love playing with the airplane in the garden?
Yeah. I love you.
I love you too, baby.